Hi everyone, today we'll be doing question number 322 on LeetCode today called coin change. This is a very popular question. It's akin to another famous question called knapsack. They're kind of the same idea. So the idea is we're given coins of different denominations and a total amount of money. We want to write a function to compute the fewest number of coins needed to make that amount. And if we can't make it, we return -1. So in the case of coins values of 1, 2, 5 and amount 11, we could make it using 5, 5 again, and 1. So we can repeat the number of coins. Cool. So the first thing we have to do is make our GP array, since this is going to be a dynamic programming question. So new array. So let's explain two things about this. We're going to use this array to keep track of the least number of coins for each amount. So we're going to calculate the least number of coins for amount 0, then 1, then 2, 3, 4, 5, so on and so forth, and continuously update it using a nested for loop. And we're going to start out with infinity because we're going to assume that it takes infinite number of coins for each amount at first until we're updating it. So from here, we start our for loop. We say for let I equals, oh, actually, let's talk about a base case too. I forgot about that. So in this case, our base case is 0 equals 0 because if we have an amount of 0, no amount of coins can make that 0 amount, which makes sense. So I will start at 1 amount and go over the entire loop. Then we want to try every single coin, so let's say for coin coins. So each amount is going to be based on the minimum between itself as well as this dpi minus coin plus 1. So let's explain this next statement. This next statement is saying that we can get that amount based on a previous amount minus a certain coin plus adding that new coin. So for example, let's say if we're at amount 6. If we're at amount 6, that means that we can either choose what we have at 6 from right now, which is infinity, or we can choose the amount of 1 because we could be trying coin 5. So 6 minus 5 is 1, so dp of 1 plus 1 because now we're using that new 5 coin. So if we run through this entire loop, it will just update every single pass-through value, and we can say if dp of amount is still infinity, aka it hasn't been passed yet, it hasn't been checked, then we return -1. Otherwise, we just return itself. So let's see if this works. Oh, oops, we have to return this. Not a number. So let's see where I went wrong. Zero, not a number, not a number. Let's see. Oh, oops. We can't have negative amounts, so we can say if I is greater than or equal to the coin, then we do the statement. Because we don't want to have negative values inside our array. So now it should work. Cool, it works. Let's try it. Works just fine. So, what is the runtime? Well, we're going through every possible amount as well as every possible coin. So we can say this is O of n times m, N and M represent number of coins and amount, respectively. Cool. And that just about sums up this question. So, very popular DP question. This is kind of like the basis of bottom-up dynamic programming, and we'll be doing a lot more of these in the future. And with that, I'll put a link to the question as well as my GitHub down below, and I'll see you guys next time.